Here is how you insert SIM card in Samsung Z Fold 6. So we first need the SIM ejector tool, and this can be found inside of the Z Fold 6 box. If you flip it, there is this leaflet here that you can pull out. If you don't have the SIM ejector tool, use a pin or paper clip. Then I want you to open the Z Fold 6, so we have the inside screen, and then on the left we see this outline in the hole. This is the SIM card tray. So use the thin end of your SIM ejector tool, insert it into the hole, and then push down and release, and now the tray is partially ejected. Use your nail on the bottom part of the tray and just pull it out like this. So you will have a dual SIM slot if your Samsung is unlocked. Sometimes if you buy this on Amazon unlocked, it will only have one SIM, so I do recommend you buy from Samsung's website. If you buy of a carrier, it will typically have one SIM slot. So we will notice that there is this ridge where my finger is, and there is also a ridge on the SIM card itself. So you match your location and it should fit in flush. If you're having problems, you may be on the wrong way, so just flip the SIM card tray and then try again. Now once the SIM card is in the tray, we just pull it back in, so you match the hole on the phone with the hole of the tray, and then push this in, and then firmly just press across with your finger to make sure the tray is fully back in. If your SIM card is not being recognized, then just get your t-shirt, give this yellow part a rub, as that's where all the data is, and then try again.